wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. Went into me, I'm surprised. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
FaTkaT Auto Spa. Hey, that should be a commercial for y'all right there. That's our commercial jingle. FaTkaT Auto Spa. What's good, man?
How you doing?
How's everything, man?
Not too bad. How about you?
Chilling, man, chilling. Hey, look at y'all. Look at me. D, you gonna wash your car or you gonna rob a bank? What you gonna do, man? He's like, I'm ready for whatever, man. Whatever come my way today. Nah, it's fine.
Tied in together.
That was good, man. What's going on, man?
Good.
By the way, he's not a crip. I'm just joking. Yeah, you gotta just jokes. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put it out there. People be like, oh, I knew. And you know us, man. We fit the description of everybody. You know how that goes,
we
man.
out here getting it honestly, though.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, man. Again, FaTkaT's Auto Spa, 813-847-3964. Man, make sure y'all hit them up. They came with the big van today, so it means you know they're gonna put in work. There y'all go, man. Make sure y'all check them out, man. Again, you know, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff, man. Make sure you hit them up. And as I always say, man, they take all forms of payment, man. So don't play around and say you can't do it. They take all forms, man. So anyway, getting ready to go. We gotta move these cars real quick, and then you know, so they could get to Christine, do what they gotta do, and then we'll get back to y'all. Her pipes over there smoking like she just let off a couple rounds or something. Anyway, man. All right, so, oh yeah, I left it pretty dirty for y'all, man. Nah, I didn't do no burnouts. That was some, yeah, just from the road and a little bit of tire shine. And it was raining this week.
A little bit of P0 on it.
Yeah. So, all right, man. So explain to the people. Because, you know, I told him, I kind of get him a little, what's saying, as far as what the reload is and all that. But explain to the people exactly what that is.
Well, we put a, when we reload it, just the ceramic coating is just like a maintenance spray that has a small solution of the chemical in it, the ceramic itself.
Okay.
So it coats it and it protects it, and it gives it more of a hydrophobic, you know, adds a lot of more of the hydrophobic effect to the paint. So the water doesn't stick to it, it beads off, and it gives it a little bit more UV protection also.
Well, he just gave you a damn scientific in the lab explanation. So in layman's terms in English, as y'all know, Christine is ceramic coated, and basically what that does is re-energize that ceramic coat, and you know, makes it basically maintains it and pops it out even more, because again, it re-energizes that, right?
Yeah.
Basically is what we're getting at.
It's almost like a wax for regular paint, but it's for ceramic, made specifically for ceramic coating.
So, but it's called Reload. So like I said, basically it goes on top of it. So you can't just throw that on without, I guess you can, but it won't really do anything without it being ceramic coated.
No, it'll work on other stuff, but it works especially, it's made specifically for ceramic coating.
Ceramic coat, right.
Because, you know, you don't want to just put wax on it, because wax, it's specifically for
Gotcha,
ceramic.
man. So there I go, man. So I'm gonna let them do their work. As y'all know, man, they be taking care of Christine, and on top of that, we're doing a full detail and everything else, right? So what is it? I think, is it a pro detail, whatever it's called?
Yeah, pro package.
Pro package. So she's gonna be spick and span all the way inside and out, and you know, to get ready for this show tomorrow, man. So let's go. As y'all know, man, TFAT's Auto Spa be taking care of Christine, man. Make sure y'all hit them up, man. They're gonna take care of y'all anywhere in the Tampa area. They come to you, 100% self-sufficient. They don't need no plugins. They don't need no water. They don't need none of that. They're gonna come with their van. They're gonna take care of you, and that's it, man. All right, man. Let's let them do their work. There you go, man. But you can see it on there, man. They sprayed all the reload on there right now. We're just wiping it down.
The other side's already done.
It's already done?
Yeah, that side over there. You gotta take a look at that door. Close that door, dude.
Not bad, bro. Yeah, man. Huh? Yeah, that thing looking good. But when it's all said and done, we'll obviously show y'all how it's all complete, man. But that thing is looking good. Carbon fiber snorkels. Shout out to Mr. Drew 392 on IG, man. Make sure y'all check him out. It's gonna be in the description. There y'all go, man. TFATs are already left. I couldn't get them in the video. They already left. I had to run out and go do something real quick. By the time I got back, they were gone. Obviously, they got more appointments and all that. So that was my bad. But anyway, man, they did finish the car. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look how, I know you guys can't really see because it's in the garage. Let me see if I can turn on this light. It might look a little bit better. Man, but this thing looks amazing, man. Yeah, look at that. Whew. Obviously, you guys know they did the engine as well, man. So the motor is clean. They did the inside. Damn. This thing looked like the day it came out the showroom floor, man. Look at that. Super clean inside. Look at that, man. Woo, woo, woo. Look at that. Yeah, man, so this thing is beautiful. Couldn't thank them enough, because, you know, man, they always come through for me whenever I need them, and, you know, hook it up and all that good stuff, man. So, again, Christine is ready. Oh, let me go and shut this door. So, Christine is ready, man. Ready for the show tomorrow. I didn't have to break my back for 2-3 hours to do it, man. They came through, did the reload and everything else, man. 100% detail on it and everything and all that good stuff, man. So make sure I hit them up, man. FaTkaT Auto Spa. Again, link is going to be in the description below. So make sure y'all go check them out. Tell them I sent you on IG or whatever the case, and they'll hook you up, man, for sure. All right. Look how beautiful she is, man. Christine. So all right, man. Other than that, we'll see you guys at the show tomorrow, man. If you guys, actually, by the time y'all see this, I will be at the show, probably right at the show. So if you're seeing this right now, I'm at the show at the Tampa Convention Center from 11 o'clock to 4 o'clock. I'll be there, man. I know it is Super Bowl weekend, Super Bowl Sunday today, as a matter of fact. By the way, I'm going for Kansas City. Just I'm throwing that out there. Anyway, but so I'm gonna put that out there. So I'll be out there, man, from 11 o'clock to 4 o'clock at the Tampa Convention Center. Obviously, I'm gonna be filming and everything else, man. Come through, say what's up, all that good stuff, man. Christine will be there again with me, myself, FaTkaT, Schofield, who has the AMG GTR green one, his son, again, who has the Mustang GT350R, and then also Garage Driven will be there with his bagged Destroyer Gray Daytona Scat, Daytona 392 as well, man. So make sure y'all come check us out. Of course, man, we love to see y'all, say what's up and everything else, and obviously have y'all see the cars and all that good stuff, man. All that good stuff in person. Other than that, again, like, comment, subscribe, hit notification bells. You guys know I am your boy FaTkaT. Oh, let me leave you guys with this one. Let me leave you guys with this one quick thing, man. Last quick message of the day. When we leave this earth, man, there's nothing much that we leave with other than literally our nuts and our dignity. You know what I'm saying? So don't compromise that for anything, man. If you don't be afraid to do stuff behind closed doors, that if it comes out to light, then you're gonna be embarrassed. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't do things behind people's backs. Don't talk behind people's backs. Don't do none of that. Whereas if that same thing was said in front of that person, you stand in front of me, you're embarrassed, or you don't know what to say, or you're like, damn, why'd you say that? You know what I'm saying? Like, you should, anything you say about anybody, if you say anything behind their back, you should feel comfortable enough to be able to say that same thing in front of them. So if it's something that you know, if that person is standing right here, I would not be saying that, then don't say it, man. You don't need to be saying that to anybody else, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's one thing about me is, you know, first of all, I don't like to talk shit about nobody, especially behind their back, but guaranteed, if I say anything, you know what I'm saying, behind, or not behind, but just anybody else about somebody, trust me, like, that's something that I'm willing to say in front of that person. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's not talking shit, whatever the case, if I'm expressing my opinions about something, guaranteed it's something that I am willing to say in front of somebody else. You know what I'm saying? So don't say anything that, if that other person was standing right there in that room with you, that you'll be mute and you'll be quiet, you don't want to say it. Or if it were to ever get back to that person's attention and you're there, you're like, you know, you mad at the other person for saying it. Like, nah, man, that's not the way you should live life. Again, the only thing we leave out of this world, when we leave this world, is our nutsacks and our dignity, man. That's it, as men, you know what I'm saying? And on top of that, don't, like I said, don't do anything behind anybody's back, or don't do anything behind closed doors that if it comes to light, you'll be embarrassed about it, man. So that's all I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave that one on that note. Don't forget that February 4th, we're doing the drawing for the free giveaway on the hydrogen carbon fiber rear spoiler. All that stuff is in the description below, man. Make sure y'all check it out. All right, man. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Again, you guys know me, boy FaTkaT. We'll see you on the next one, man. Later.